well, there's the new pallets that we put up against the fence, and that is for the squash that are going to hopefully run up the side. They seem to be doing okay in spite of the heat, but that's not why we're doing this. So I was just going to show you. There's the pallet that I'm going to put over here for my long beans. I have I have 3 different types, but 2 require trellises. So I got some pallets, and this is what we're doing over here. So we've been digging out, and we're using the chain. I don't know, Kurt could explain that better. What is this called?
A come-along.
A come-along. So we're using a come-along tied around my really nice gumbo limbo tree. And this is how we're pulling out all the stumps. I didn't know that it was still in there. I thought that we had cleaned out pretty well. Obviously, we did not. So my poor husband, my happy husband, is doing this for me, cleaning all that out. And here's a bunch more. So we'll be planting after that. We'll show you the end result. But yeah, just another thing that we got to do. And I've been cleaning out all these weeds. Just when we fertilize, unfortunately, the weeds get fertilized too. So the ongoing saga of a gardener, weeds. Okay, he wrapped that around it twice. We're going to do the next part. Okay, so we pulled out, well, we pulled out that much. And as we got over here, there's definitely more, and we were moving the chain over and found that there's another big stump. Years ago, when we first bought this property, we had, how many trees would you say, honey?
34 that the hurricanes knocked down after
big,
4 or 5 years. Big
pine trees, 40, 50 foot, and so because of the hurricanes, they came down, but we didn't necessarily get all the stumps. So that's kind of what we're looking at right now.
Well, actually, no, these are all the oak.
Oh, these are all the oaks over here? Oh, scrub oak?
Scrub oak stumps.
Whew.
Some, a couple, but right now this is mainly scrub oak that I'm putting.
And as we're going through, we're finding those vine tubers or nasty things. Ugh. Anyways, my husband says that when he's done, when we are done with this, that we don't have to do it again, hopefully. At least the stumps, we don't. So, but that stump over there looks a lot bigger than I thought it was. So, yeah. So that's why I haven't planted yet. Here we are. Is that how far back the stump goes? Wow. So he's trying to dig the dirt around it so we can get the chain around it. So he's trying to get the dirt out from underneath it. Okay. We're thinking that this is the end of it right here. He's gonna... I'm right here.
It's been about an hour, hour and a half of digging and pulling about 8 feet to 9 feet worth of
Stumps.
pine tree stumps, oak tree stumps, and roots.
This is how we transport from the front yard to the backyard now. Oh, another one? Oof. Okay, so there's our project today. That's how far we went over. And let's see. We added 2 new pallets. We had 4 that we just put out. And we had a little accident right there. The squash got uprooted while we were working. So we're hoping that replanting it, transplanting it will work, but we'll see. But anyway, some of the other squash over there are already climbing, which is good. So by doing this little project, getting all the stumps out, we've actually added, 24 feet more to our garden for growing vegetables. That's a wonderful thing. So we're going to do, I don't know, a few different things over there. We might even plant some potatoes over there. We're trying them every which way because we are going to grow potatoes. All right, just wanted to show you. So that's what we did today. So ask your local businesses for some pallets if you're looking for some. Many times they just throw them out And they're out by the dumpster waiting for somebody to pick them up, and they're a heck of a lot cheaper than going out and buying the trellises, and they work just the same. So thanks to a local business, we have these pallets to use today. Thanks for watching Hobie Farms. God bless you and have a great day.